Welcome to Kobok Paramedical Institution and Technology. With the state-of-art facilities, we are here to improve the quality of paramedic education in this state. With courses like BSc MLT, BSc RIT, BPT, A&M Nursing, BBA Hospital Management, and BSc Optometry. Our institute is affiliated to TRIPURA University, a central university. We have experienced faculties, well-equipped labs, and brilliant infrastructure, along with hostel facilities and placement assistance. We promise to build the best paramedic career of our students. Kobok Paramedical Institution welcomes you to shape your career with us. Kobok Paramedical Institution and Technology. Komnong.
Hasteni, sini di pasar no saklai meng. Bises ke sini parti IPFT ni onggoi seng bise brum no 2009 hoite 2020 tabok in 12 time yang 12 tomo sini di Palainani statehood demande sing palai tonglayo sing to saimano sing bisi brum no sini central gathering sing hazar lakh borok phayo sing outlaw khlayo astawal mado tebu sing khumulum ko khlayo omeklai sing every year sing 2009 hoite sing central gathering for the celebration of the Palainani Statehood Demand Day, and on other word ADC Day. Sing joto saimano chin ADC sing man din chin parliament no bill pass din abong kai 23 August abon boy sing abon to yino chin IP the party sing saina ka je 23 August singkai abo chini ADC mamane din plus a dinno na sing saka the Palainani Statehood Demand Day tam Himalaya sing saimano sing additional to yi ADC arena to yi schedule arena to sing chini party IPFT 2009 hoite sing abono the Palainani State demand khai tongo separate state demand khai tongo abono boyno sing bisimbum brumno abono sing the Palainani Statehood Demand Day in Palayo taklai ke kisa chini betikrong sinai sing central gathering sing klaimalia dan bangke sing jotono saimano sing COVID-19 o coronavirus no toyi sing jotono sing social gathering ma khlaya abani bangke sing taklai sing je mansak sing tini central committee sing thane 8 tarik o sing August sing decision naka taklai sing jotono division wise chini tabok rate chini 34 division tong IPD party ni division committee pura respective places so pon jane jaga go boro hom dom khlai bo social distance maintain khlai boro tini Palainani Statehood Demand Day boro palai nai sing saimano tini dharma bor hoite sabrum poento tini committee tongo jotono saklai rekha tini party IPFT te allied organization ajarat gama tini allied organization tongo te tini like minded organization tongo tini youth IPFT IWFT Atisa the Pankrak Bodol tini te motor worker union te tini kormachari dol tongo TUKS TNEA te gama NGOs brotono support khayo brono joto saklai rekha joto combine khai tini janijar jagago janijar division level boro gathering khainai gathering khai boro the Palainani Statehood Demand Day palai nai abone boy anjotto koi nai jotto tini Tripura basino koi nai all communities both tribal and non-tribal pronang appeal khainai ang koi nai je 23rd August am jottono a dino mane peace and tranquility jate tongthung boni bang jottono koi nai je kachang khlai through peaceful mean democratic system khlai jeng social distance maintain khlai jeng abone palai nai abang koi nai jottono no haino hai chini especially chini party ni worker chini party leaders sing jaga sing already deployed like kwangmon tini central leaders they're assigned to present in different places like nini Dharmanagar Kailasahar Kanchanpur nini Samono Monu tini Koramchhara Ambasa Kailas of Komalpur nini Yangromde nini Khwai yang Telemora, ini Sodor, ini Mandai, ini Khumulung, Sunamura, Sabrung, Biludia, hai ke jot tu jagono Kobok hai klai jon jan jenar ini central leader bor thangnai thangbor adaga kok sanai te agene hai klai no ini je dimano tei ini Tripura state hu demande ini Tripura no tei chen ini protra khainai o ini central decision jon bonang jot to no koinai ini allied organization te ini brotherhood organization ini party IPT no adino समर्थन खाइदि ते पाल बक्सा खलाइजों दिनै दं थकजा थख्लायै नोने पिसफुलि जों Tripura स्टेट अफ डिमान्डे जों गोजान गोजानखाय जों पलायनाय हामबाय
Welcome to KOKBOROK Paramedical Institution and Technology. With the state-of-art facilities, we are here to improve the quality of paramedic education in this state. With courses like BSc MLT, BSc RIT, BPT, A&M Nursing, BBA Hospital Management and BSc Optometry. Our institute is affiliated to Tripura University, a central university. We have experienced faculties, well-equipped labs and brilliant infrastructure along with hostel facilities and placement assistance. We promise to build the best paramedic career of our students. KOKBOROK Paramedical Institution welcomes you to shape your career with us. KOKBOROK Paramedical Institution and Technology. Khomnong.